Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily draw a slot. We will examine the slot drawing feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click Utility, the drawing menu appears, and select the Drawing a Slot Hole option. Click with the mouse to specify the start point. Next, specify the slot radius. You can specify the radius by clicking with the mouse, or by typing the radius value on the keyboard. Type 20 on the keyboard, and then press Enter. Finally, specify the slot length. When you click at the desired point, the slot is drawn. Using CADian CAD's utility feature, we drew a slot. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.